It's a 2017 GMC Yukon. The best ability for your next vehicle is capability, and this Yukon has it. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: V8 engine, dual zone climate control, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto dimming rear view mirror, heated steering wheel, Wi-Fi hotspot, entertainment system with Blu-ray, hands-free liftgate, memory exterior door mirror settings, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Of the Yukon, the Car Connection puts forth it has the power and capability to haul up to 9 passengers, their stuff, and the family boat. GMC, professional grade vehicles suited to fit your needs. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Are you speaking Deacon? Visit Deacon Jones Chevrolet Buick GMC Cadillac today. Give us a call at 800-952-9354.